Is your Samsung washer showing a 1C error code? This indicates an issue with the water level sensor, often caused by blockages, air leaks, or sensor malfunctions. Let's troubleshoot step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to address the problem or when to contact support. What does 1C mean? The code signals that the water level sensor isn't functioning properly. This can happen due to debris in the hose, air leaks, or a faulty sensor. First, turn off the washer and restart the cycle. Switch off the appliance at the mains, wait 30 seconds, then switch it back on and start a new program. This simple reset clears temporary glitches and recalibrates the sensor. Next, check for blockages in the air hose. The water level sensor relies on an air hose to detect pressure changes. Inspect the hose for kinks, clogs, or disconnections. Even small obstructions can disrupt readings. If the error persists, listen for unusual sounds during draining. When the 1C message appears, the washer will drain water for 3 minutes while disabling the power button temporarily. If draining seems slow or incomplete, inspect the drain pump and filter for debris. Still stuck? Links for the user manual and customer support are available in the video description. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day!